Today we are discussing about linear regression. Regression. First of all, what is meant by regression in machine learning? Regression analysis is a statically method to model relationship between the target and independent variables. Dependent means a target, independent is a predator. It is like a variable, which one or more independent variable like that, etc. More specifically, regression analysis help to understand how to calculate the value of dependent variable in changing the corresponding independent variable when other independent variable held fixed. It predict continuously a real value of temperature, age, salary, price, Bitmol state prediction, etc. whatever it is. Okay, then we are going to some examples. Suppose is a marketing company. You choose a variable advertisement every year and gets a salary on that below list lower advertisement made by the company's last 5 years under responding sale. Advertisement is like this. This is advertisement table or column. Then this company want to advertisement $20 in the 2019 and wants to know predict about the salary of this year. So to solve such type of prediction problem in machine learning, we need to regression analysis first. What is regression in supervised learning technique, which help in the finding the correlative between variables and enable us to predict the continuously output variable based on one or more predictor variable. It is mainly used for predicting, forecasting, time series modeling, and determine the causal effect relationship between variables. In regression, we plot a graph between variable which best fit the given data point using the plot. The machine learning model we make the prediction about data. In simple word, regression show a line or curve that passes through all data point on target predictor graph in such a way that is vertically distance between point data and regression line minimum. The distance between point data and line tells whether a model has captured a strong relationship or not. Some examples are regression. Predictions are run using temperature and other factors, determining the market trends. Prediction a road accident due to race driving. Terminology related to the regression analysis. First topic, depending variable. The main factor in regression analysis which we want to predict or understand is called dependent variable. It is also called as a target variable. Independent variable, the factor which affects the dependent variable or which used to predict the value of the dependent variable are called independent variables, also called predictor. Outer layers is the observation which contains either low value or high value in comparison to other observed values. An outer may hamper to result, so it could be avoided. Multi-collinearity. If it is the independent variables are high correlated with each other than other variables, then such condition is called multi-correlativity. Collinearity. It should not be a present in data set, but it creates the problem while ranking the most effective variables. Underfitting and overfitting. If our algorithm works well with a training data set but not well with test data, then such problem is called overfitting. And if algorithm does not perform well even the training data set, that type of called is a underfitting data type. First of all, why it is for regression analysis? As I mentioned above, regression analysis help in the prediction to continuous variable. These are variable sincerity. The real world we need some futures predictions as weather conditions, sale prediction, marketing trends, etc. whatever it is. For such a case, we need to technology which we can make prediction more absolutely. So for such case, we need to predict analysis, which is statistically method used in the machine learning and data science. Below are some reasons for the regression analysis. Regression, estimating the relationship between target and independent variable. It is used to find the trends in data. It helps to predict continuous values. By performing the regression, we cannot conditionally determine the most important factor, the least important factor, and how each factor is affecting the other factors. Then, type of regression. These are the various type of regression which used in the data science and machine learning. Each type its own important on the different scenarios, but the core all the regression method analyzes the effect of independent variable on dependent variable. We are discussing some important regression which we are given below. First, linear regression, logistic regression, polynomial regression, the support factor regression, decision tree regression, random forest regression, rigid regression, last law regression. This is the types of linear regressions method. First, we are discussing about linear regression. Linear regression is the statically regression method which is used to predictively analysis. It is a one very simple and easy algorithm which works on the regression and show relationship between continuous variable. It is used for the solving and the regression problem in machine learning. Linear regression shows the relationship between independent variable x-axis and the dependent variable y-axis mentioned. Here is called the linear regression. If there is the only one variable x, such that linear is called simple linear regression. And if there is the no more one input variable, such linear regression is called multilinear regression. The relationship between linear regression model can expand using the below image, and here we are predicting the sales to employee of the year prediction. This is the x value of experience, y value is mentioned as the salary. Experience is 1 year, 2 year, 4 year, 6 year, 10 year. Salary is for 40,000, 60,000, 80,000, 1 lakh 20,000, etc. This is a simple formula for linear regression. In mathematically, we represent y is equal to mx plus c. You know already, everyone studied. That formula is used here. This linear regression. Here y is the dependent variable, that is target variables. X is the independent variable, that is predictor variable. I already mentioned in previous slide. And A and B are the linear coefficients. Some popular applications of linear regression we are discussing about. First, analyzing the trending and sale estimate, salary forecasting, real estate prediction, arriving the ETCs in traffics. That's all about the linear regression. Now we are going to logical regression. Logical regression is the another supervised learning algorithm which is used to solve the classification problem. In classification problem, we have to dependent variable in library or descriptive format such as 0 or 1. Logical regression algorithm works at the category value variable such as or 1, yes or no, true or false, scam or not scam, etc. Whatever it is. Algorithm which works on the concept of probability. Logical regression is the type of regression built in the different form of linear regression algorithm in which term how they are used. Logical regression used to sigmoid function or logical function, which we are complex cost function. The sigmoid function used to model the graph data in the logical regression. The functions can be represented f of x equal to 1 by 1 plus e power minus x. Here we are discussing f of x is out of the output between 0 and 1 values. X is dependent on input of the function. E is the exponential, is based on the numerical logarithm. Then we are going to this is the graph of the logical regression. It is used to concept of threshold value. The value above mentioned threshold level are grounded up to 1, and the value below the threshold under the up to 0 this is 0, this is up to 1. This is the formula for the logical regression. Mainly logical regression defined the three types. One is binary, multi, another one is multi, another is ordinary. Binary is 0 or 1, pass or fail. Multi is cat, dog, lion, etc. Ordinary means low, medium, high, or this is etc. Then we are moving polynomial regression. Polynomial regression is the regression which model non-linear data set using linear model. It is similar to multiple linear regression, but it's fit on the non-linear curve between x and y. X and corresponding conditional value of y. This is the important value of this important words for polynomial regression. Suppose this is data set which consists the data point which are present in the non-linear fashion. So for the such case, linear regression will not be best fit of those data point to cover such as the data point we need to polynomial regression. Another point, in polynomial regression, the original features are transmitted into polynomial features of data degree and then model using a linear model, which means data point at the best fitted using the polynomial lines. This is the formula for the polynomial regression. Y is equal to b0 plus b01x b1x plus b2x square. The formula for this is the model graph of polynomial regression. The equations of the polynomial regression derived from the linear regression equation. That means linear regression equation y is equal to b0 plus b1x plus transformed into polynomial regression y is equal to b0 plus b1x plus b2x square plus b9 etc. somewhat up to n. Here y is the predictor, x is the target output, b0 and b1 bn is the regression coefficient, x is our dependent variable or input variable. Note, this is the important thing. This is the different from the multilinear regression in such a way that the polynomial regression single element has different degree instead of multivariable in same degree. Okay friends, today we have talked about polynomial regression. I hope understood for all. Then we are going next video we are discuss about the support factors in regression. That's all today. That's all over. Tomorrow we